Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm showing you a quick and easy tip for how to replace just the valve stem of your water shutoff valve for your toilet. Now, by getting an identical water shutoff valve with brand new stem or a stem replacement kit itself, you're able to insert that new stem by just replacing the old one. In my case, this was just a quick, easy, cheap fix in a pinch where I didn't have the time or the tools to replace more of the piping to get the old water shutoff valve off. So in my case, the gasket from the old stem was completely crumbling and falling apart, and the shutoff valve didn't work at all because of this. So with a pair of tweezers, I was just removing the old bits and pieces and debris. So as you can see, with this new stem screwed in properly, that gasket's going to do a perfect job and it's creating a great seal. So once again, this is just a quick and easy tip. If you don't have the means to be able to do more work, you need to do something in a pinch and you just want to do a stem replacement, it's a perfectly viable option. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Peace.